so soft. It's too soft.
Pray for me, for me. Pray I find my way.
Hey FamBam, welcome back. Happy to fantastic. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Esther, MsTopacJay. So in today's video, babes, as requested and as kind of mentioned in the previous video, I'm going to be basically giving you guys a brief review on the Gerard Cosmetics Hydra Matte Liquid Lipsticks as well as the lip pencil they have. So if you have to join the FamBam, make sure you join the FamBam by clicking the subscribe button down below. Turn notification. Please thumbs up this video. And if you'd like to as well, follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of content over there, especially like videos, and I post a lot of photos over there, like my day-to-day makeup of the day photos. So if you're interested in stuff like that, make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's also MsTopacJay as well. And without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. Okay, so let's cover the lip pencils first. If you watched the previous video, you know that I received 5 lip pencils from Gerard Cosmetics, and in that video I kind of like try to swatch it and whatnot for you babes, but I couldn't really get through with it. So what I plan on doing in today's video is just give you guys my brief snapshot review on the product, and then at the end of this video I'm gonna show you guys the swatches, just like a music over the swatches type of deal, because I've already done it. I actually originally filmed it for Instagram, but I decided, okay, let me put it in this video, so it's gonna be at the end with music and the name of the shades overlaid on top of it as well. Does that make sense? Yeah. So in terms of the lip pencils, they are $16 US. I love these lip pencils. Honestly, the lip pencils and the liquid lipsticks are the bomb, and also the lipsticks as well, but these two right here are my absolute favorites when it comes to lip products that I've received. Okay, the lip pencils are just so soft on the lips. You know, you can wear it all over your lips or use it as a lip liner. I've worn it all over my lips just to kind of see, and it has a good longevity to it. It feels so comfortable throughout the day. It doesn't feel chappy at all. It doesn't feel dry. It is like demi or semi matte or whatever. It's really nice. So if you're really looking for a nice smooth application type of lip pencils on your lips, I would definitely recommend these lip pencils. They are so good. They feel so good. They are so soft, and you can sharpen them as well. I've already sharpened this one, as you can see, like it's a little bit dirty. My favorite color out of all this is Night Shift, and that's the one I have in my hand right here, and you can see I've already sharpened it. So I'm gonna apply this on my lips at the end of this video. I love these lip pencils. I don't know what else I can say about it. I don't have any cons about it whatsoever. I don't know, it's awesome, and it works so well with other lip products as well, because I tried it with my MAC lipstick and it worked really well with it as well. It has a really long longevity to it. Now, in terms of the liquid lipsticks, oh girl, if you follow me on Instagram, you've been seeing my makeup of the day post and all that. You know that I've been using this non-stop. Oh my gosh, I love these liquid lipsticks. They are so long lasting, as well as the lip pencil. I don't know how Gerard Cosmetics did the formula. Honestly, if I were to ever come out with a lipstick with any brand or by myself or whatever, this is the formula. I'm sorry, Gerard, but you know what I mean? Like, this is the formula. It's so good. It feels so good on the lips. Like when you apply it, it's nicely pigmented as well, and it's not like slap your face matte. You know, there's a couple of liquid lipsticks out there, like when you apply it, it just feels really matte, like almost kind of dry, like the Colourpop liquid lipsticks. Girl, I don't have that, but my sister has it. Whenever I use it from, you know, her cupboard or whatever, it's so drying on the lips. And I know these ones are a little bit more expensive, because these ones are $20 US and 25 Australian dollars, but honestly they are worth the price. They feel so good on the lips. They're not drying. They're like semi matte, not even, I don't know, like once I apply it, I don't even have to top up. I've worn it for 8 hours, longer than 8 hours, and the color is still there. And when it gets to at the end of the day, that's literally only when I start getting a little bit of a butthole situation, like a little bit of the color lifts off the inside of my lips. I don't know what else I can say about it. I wanted to do a wear test in this video, but I was like, nah, I'm just you know, I have so much going on. I've got exam coming up and all that, you know. But honestly, you need to please take my word for it. Just buy one lipstick, try it for yourself, and you see exactly what I'm saying. And my favorite color out of all the 6 colors I have here is Boss Lady and Evrything Nice. And the smell as well. They smell like biscuits. Honestly, I don't know, it's weird. I'm weird, but they smell like biscuit. Okay, if you're looking for a really good formula liquid lipstick, non-drying, very long lasting no matter what you eat, okay? Even though it's not transfer proof, okay? When you kiss the back of your hand or when you drink something, you will see the color on the cup, you will see the color a little bit on the spoon, but the main thing you gotta know is it's not gonna leave your lips. I've been wearing this for about a week straight, and I can honestly tell you guys that these are the bomb. So this liquid lipstick and the lip pencil combined, girl, and you know, I'm not just saying all this because it sent it to me. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I've been wearing this every time I do my makeup. So let me just do my favorite combination for yours. So I really love the Night Shift lip pencil, so I'm gonna go ahead and just apply that on my lip. Let me wipe off this lip plumper. Do you see how easy that just glides on? Oof, yes, it's just so soft. It's so soft. Night Shift, girl, Night Shift. Let me put more here. Okay, now I'm gonna grab Evrything Nice. I love Boss Lady as well. Boss Lady is just such a beautiful brown. Let me just put Boss Lady on my lips, even though I'm gonna show you guys all the swatches at the end of this video. Shoo, yes. Oh yeah, at the very end of the day, very end, like 8 to 9 hours or so later, this is what my lips end up looking like. Like this is literally the only, oh, there's a stain there. This is literally the only kind of butthole situation I end up getting at the end of the day. And honestly, I would say that ain't bad at all for over 8 hours. So this is Evrything Nice. I just put that in the middle because, you know, I love ombre lips. Oh, I just need to go on a date now, but I just can't be bothered going out, you know what I mean? This is just so, ooh, just makes my lips look so good, okay? I love this combination. Honestly, this combination is the bomb, okay? And yeah, so that's all I have for you babes today. Make sure you hang around for the swatches of the lip pencil as well as the liquid lipstick so you can see the shades in its entirety on my lips and all that, okay? Today's FamBam shout out is Carmimua. You're the one who requested I do this video, and I hope this video helped you out. I hope it helped a lot of you babes out, and thank you so much for watching, babes. Thank you so much for your support, and as always, whatever you're doing to love yourself, and I'll see you babes in my very next video. Bye. yes, Johnny FamBam, make sure that if I can't speak anymore. FamBam by click. I'm currently watching The Haunting House on the Hill or whatever it's called, and it is a little bit spooky. I'm glad I started during the day because I'm so out of it. I would definitely pencils as well as a lip as I love my makeup. Yes. I need to edit.